Hello everyone, welcome back to Spotaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that changing a hotspot password can enhance security by preventing unauthorized access to your mobile data, and especially when sharing with others or in public space. And it good practice to change the password periodically. And so yeah, to change the password is very easy. So without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your cell phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down again and go to portable hotspot. And then click set up portable hotspot, and then now you can freely change the password. Alright guys, so yeah, and then if you're finished, now you can click checklist over here, and then your hotspot password is already changed. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.